Making sure that the wires don't move, because if they move, they rub, and when they rub, you can get some problems. This is where we ended up with our setup, all tidy. This is the driving battery, and we've actually got a few spare spots left here for onboard air and anything else we want that's going to be a bit high current. We're on the auxiliary battery, the secondary battery here. We've got a circuit breaker going to the back, which will have another sort of fuse arrangement, and we've got a 6-way fuse block here for all the other little bits and pieces. My big horn, my UHF, camping lights, auxiliary lights, all nice and tidy. And the other thing I like is having that circuit breaker there. Because it's not a daily driver, it's great to be able to disconnect that circuit at the back so we don't drain this battery. From the auxiliary battery at the front, we've got a main cable coming in, feeding this fuse bracket in the back. This is a universal one, but it allows me to mount a couple of MIDI fuses and another 6-way fuse box. This runs the oven, some lighting, some outlets here as well as the pumps, the water pumps. Nice tidy setup, and I can just remove one bolt here and pull it all out to work on it, because it's probably a bit difficult to work on in there. So that worked out really well.